Test 1 2 1 2. We have sound. We don't have music because I haven't turned it on yet. Give me a minute. Music on, too loud. Looks good, looks good. So we are live. We have streaming, good values. It's on. Hey Diogo, how are you, my friend? We have, good numbers, everything is green, so let's go. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Micron building series. All good, all good. Little tired from the work, but yeah, it's going. Hey Beanie, how are you? So, before I forget, please, thanks to our sponsor, Lab 4450, Portuguese online store. 3D printer stuff based. Check them out, link in the description. Good prices, good quality stuff. They help me. You guys, if you guys go there and buy from them, so you guys are helping me. Good guy, Pedro. So, how's everyone doing? Friday night, and I'm streaming. Anyway, I want to finish this machine, so sacrifices must be made. So yesterday we were finishing the head, which is the end head. Pretty cool. I fucked up with the symbol, but I'm not gonna mess with it, at least for now. So let's keep going. Everything fits good. We're gonna need to disassemble the side parts again, but I want to finish the full build of the head so I can crimp and cut the wires out to length and whatsoever. It's gonna be easier, and then just go and assemble everything in the thingy, the head there, the carriage, sorry. So yeah, actually I have all my three filament dryers working. This one is almost done. Tomorrow. They're gonna be there until tomorrow. Okay, so everything looks good in here. So let's go for the... did I turn? Yes, I turned the jumpy camera on. So let's go into there. So I'm going for what? For the extruder now. So the extruder is the... it's the... I'm not sure what they are calling it these days. Micron extruder, mandible, whatsoever. Basically, it's a modified wristwatch version for this head. I'm gonna use probably used. Let me check what the kit came with. So nothing here, nothing here, nothing there. What's this? Clicky? Nope. not in here. Oh, it's here. I see. So we have the motor we're gonna need, and we have the gears. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use some used gears because I have some used gears from other printers. These look cool. And actually, okay, so this is a not pre-assembled, but so let me check what do I have. So a nice Moon's motors here with a big bearing, as I like. I like these motors because they have big bearings. So let me see if I have a set of BMG gears around. I'm pretty sure I do. Well, I have one here assembled on a still assembled on a stealth burner. It's too white, the image, right? Let me try to change for oh, nope, not that one. I think this one looks better. So I know there's a wheel somewhere. Oh, that's nice. I didn't know I had this. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, looks better. Sync. There we go. Sync the looks better. Right there. Not so whitey. So anyway, we're gonna save this for another day. And let's use these used ones, which actually are better quality. Yeah, probably the same. I could probably use new bearings, but should be fine. So, what's left to do on a Micron? A lot. All the wiring, panels, skirts, quite a lot. Okay, so these will go for recycle. Let me clean and relube everything. No, Micron it's 1515. Micron it's a small, yeah, it's like the V0. It's a printer for ants. All the printer for ants are 1515. So it's basically a 2.4 downsized. So where is my alcohol? It's here. And my brush. Well, no point on completely cleaning because we're gonna relube it again with the same lube actually. So I want to make sure the teeth where the filament goes in, it's actually free of grease, because it's no bueno to have grease going together with the filament, and even for the grip it's no bueno. Not a good idea to have grease in there. That's fine. Do I have a swab in here? I used to. Let me grab a swab to clean the inside where the roller bearings are. That's done. Light cleaning here. If I remember correctly, I'm gonna need to remove this gear and swap it and turn it around for this configuration. I'm not sure, but I think so. So any of you guys here watch anime? Anime? Basically Japanese cartoons. Tomorrow is a big day for anime fans, and I am one. Ha! Dragon Ball! Well, I watched Dragon Ball when I was a kid, but not the new ones, I haven't. Well, I understand you, but if you like anime, you should really watch Solo Leveling. It's freaking amazing. And it's only like, so far, 16 episodes. Oh, One Piece. I watched the full Naruto series, not Boruto. One Piece, I'm in progress. Evangelion I watched a few times already. I watched when I was a kid. And I watched not long time ago again. What about well, here in Portugal it was called Samurai X. So it's the original name. What's the original name of Kenshin Imura? Batusai, the meat grinder. Digimon, yeah, Digimon is still going. Digimon is still going, but yeah, I intend to watch from the beginning because of my kid days. Akira is good. Naruto was awesome. I watched the full thingy twice, I think. But yeah, I'm talking because of Solo Leveling. Solo Leveling, it's amazing. It's coming out per week now. It's on the second season, and tomorrow it's gonna be the new episode, and it's gonna be the bomb. I'm really, really looking forward for it. Okay, everything is good now. Let me grab... First, let me clean the brush. Let me grab this thingy. It's what I use for lubing the gears of the extruder. I bought this when I first built my 2.4, and it's gonna last me my whole life, and it's gonna last even after I'm dead. Yu-Gi-Oh! Well, that one I haven't followed. I watched some Pokemon back in the day. Now I'm more into the new stuff and the classics. Something like Dead Note. Dead Note is amazing. Fairy Tail. I loved Fairy Tail. Bleach. Bleach is something from Otherworld. Looks good. Tighty tight, as I like it. Yep, rotating perfectly. Yeah, so as I was saying, we need to rotate the gear on this assemble. So those pre-assemble sets that the gear is already in place won't work on this extruder. Not sure if it's me or it looks like the bearing wasn't properly set. Okay, before I forget, let me pass here with the 2mm reamer. Oh, I need to buy 1mm reamer because I broke mine. Don't remember when, but I did. This is a 2mm, right? Yes, that's the 1.5, so this one is the 2. There we go. Okay, so on the Milo, I only did a few. Okay, so as you guys know, on a Milo, or at least if you don't know, I'm doing a very. We're gonna do a very custom Milo assembly, and one of the things it's a must for me. Where is the? It's here. It's the way covers, and I bought a set of. Oh, Micron kit. It's about 500, I believe. If you go for the F guys, which I don't mention in my channel, if you go, I'm not sure if anyone else has a Micron kit actually. $450, I'm not sure, something like that. The F guys. Okay, we might need to adjust this. I'm not sure, we'll see. As a half kit, okay, I'm not sure, I don't know about that. So, about the Milo. this should be fine. A lot of play for aligning with the filament, which is good. Okay, so about the Milo, what I was, I ordered some custom-made bellows, as you guys know, or if you don't know, now you know. And I didn't quite like the design, because it's a stupid design. Well, I mean the folding, not the design itself, because it actually will grab the ships in here instead of, so these foldings should be to this side instead of to the center, so it would help evacuating the ships. Same in here, these foldings should be to this side so the ships would run off and not for the inside. So this is completely useless, at least for these operations, for this purpose. So I was trying to improve to change the design, or instead of using this shape of bellows, use like what we call a house shape, which is just without this flat, so it's going to be pointy on the top. So that's what I was working on, and I actually worked until to get the design done. And for that I had to change the Y home switch position, or actually the holding system for the I home switch, or on our case it's a sensor. And by doing that, I changed the system. I eliminate one, so we need one less machined part, and it actually simplified the another part. And then I started designing a 3D printing cover. I'm not sure if it will work, but I'm on the process of designing it. Maybe it will work, maybe it doesn't. We can test. And so we have another option. So if you don't want to buy or to have some bellows made, if it's possible for us to self-source the bellows, it would be fun. So I'm working on that now. I'm not sure if it will work, but if we don't test, we'll never know. So I'm grabbing a file. Yeah, this one should work, this old one. So I'm just gonna scrub the face to eliminate those little dots from the extruder. Okay, let me put this aside. Turn on the press, because we're gonna need to press some stuff in. This is gonna go there. Here we have some, I'm gonna pass with a file as well. Yeah, stealth press there. Awesome stuff. Do you need it? No. Do you want it? Yes. quality of life of pressing inserts makes pressing inserts fun, so which is always good. Yeah, this made just fine. Let me grab. I need more inserts, most likely. Yeah, when they first came in, I mean when it was starting to be a thing, the presses, I was like, Jesus, who the fuck needs one of those thingies? But yeah, even if you do only one printer, you're gonna appreciate one of these, especially if you have done one of these by hand before. I mean, build a printer. So here I know we have one, and yeah, everything goes straight. Just a quality of life thing. You don't need anything fancy. You have absolute control when he's flush. You can even build a bumper here if you are like doing a production line, something like that. Okay, so now let's grease the bearings. So I was saying you can build a bumper, so a plastic bumper that you screw it in and you go down every time until you eat, and you make sure all the inserts go on the same depth. Again, do you need it? No. Do you want it? Yes. Yep, it's a fun tool. Yeah, I like this one, the stealth press. Meanwhile, there's a mini or whatsoever, which is a little smaller, and it's good as well. I like this one. Okay, so having some yeah, we are in place now. Now we have a screw in here. Actually, there's a little more play that I would like, but anyway, doesn't matter. So we have basically a 16 most likely, M316 in here. 16. Do I have a 16? This looks like a 16. Or is it a 20? Looks like a 16. Well, ideally it would be an 18, to be honest. But we'll make a 16 work. Yeah. These extruders are super simple to assemble. Okay, let me put some grease on the wheels here. I think I have the drawer files as well. It's cool to have the bits for the different sizes. So you can have everything in one place. Actually, I printed for mine back in the day one to put here on the side, a part to put here to store the bits, but I never actually assembled it, and now I don't even know where it is. Yeah, that's fine. Put a little bit on this one. That's perfect. So, from what I'm seeing, where does this screw in? Oh, probably on the motor. So this thing comes here. Now we have 25 M325. So I assume this is a 25. Don't I have a white one? I do. I don't need this here. Oh, I actually do. Well, now that I'm okay. Okay, I have another. Actually, before I finish this, I should actually install it. So we have another headset there, and we have a e-cache thingy here on top. So let me install those, because sometimes they are a little funky. Yeah, the angle is just right. Which mount? Mount for what? I never built a VZ-bot. I would like to, but I can build them all, so... Ah, the hot end extruder. Yeah, I have no experience to help you on that. Okay, so we need to remove this bottom seal. No need. And everything should press in. Well, that's a good solution. Why do... If we have the tools, why not use them? Now I don't think we can manage to use... barely. Barely, but we still can. There we go. No, this is not the clone, but it would be the same with the clone. Let me grab a piece of filament. Yeah, but first I need to... Should have rimmed that hole. So what I'm doing, I'm just stripping the screws. The threads, sorry. Yeah, everything should be fine. Looks good. Let me put in the... Let me check if I... Yes, I did. Quite a bit of preload. Yeah. It's quite a bit of preload on this thingy. Oh, I'm missing a washer. Which it will make more preload. And I already pressed in the ECAS. Okay, let me see if I can remove it without damaging it. So a very small screwdriver, something like this one. Yeah, VisiBot should be a very nice fuck. Okay. Yeah, good job, Bruno. Yeah, I should have used this one at first. To start with. So go away. I'm gonna push this thingy a little far away. Further down. Yeah, it's better. Okay, like that. Let's use another one. Where did the blue thingy go? Need light. Where's my light? There he is. Yeah, VisiBots are supposed to be very good machines. Let's go again. That's good. And I'm missing. Oh, it's here. I'm missing the washer, the nylon washer. So I'm not gonna put this because it's gonna, for now, I'm gonna need to put in the, with the motor. Okay, so where does the motor screw in? Oh, there and there. Okay. So you will rebuild the machine? It's always a good idea. Okay, so let me check what's the size of this screw. Yeah. It's especially if it was the first machine, we learned so much doing it. So a 30 millimeter should be fine. I think this one is a 30 or 35. It's a 30. There we go. Now I need, this is what? Probably a 8 millimeter will work. Yeah, I'm gonna use a 8 millimeter, but I'm gonna grab a M3 washer for it, but a large one, not a regular one. Yeah, rebuilding machines, it's not fun, but sometimes it's just better. Let me see if we have enough space for the big one. I think so. Yeah, we do. So I'm gonna just touch it so it will still move, and now I'm gonna do a few turns of the motor to actually make sure that it's a little stiff then, so I'm gonna unscrew a little bit. So this will make sure that the gears are aligned at the most in the most tight place, because the gears are not perfect, or I mean perfectly concentric. So this will allow the motor to move and self-adjust to the best position. Yeah, now everything is smooth around all the turn. So I'm just gonna I like to solder to and crimping to an extent. When first time I built my 2.4, I spent like 3 days, well, not 3 days, but at least 9 hours just doing the wiring. It was doing all the crimping, all the wire sizing and whatsoever. It was fun one time, but when you do it like 7 times, it's kinda enough. On this one, hopefully I'm gonna use the provided wiring. I think it's the first time I'm gonna use the wiring from the kit. Okay, I would like this guy to have a longer piece here, so when we need to load the filament, we'll see. It's a little, I did a little scratching here on the top. Yeah, that's better. Looks good, right? Really like these little extruders, they work fine. Okay, so if I'm correct, this thingy should be like this. And it takes 2 screws here on the top. Probably M38s. No, needs to be bigger. M310s. So these are 8s. I think these are 12s. I think the 12s are too big. Let's check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 12s are too big. I want my... I have no idea what it is. Actually, I think it's here. My ball, 2 millimeters. Yes, actually it's here. No, it's definitely too big, so it needs to be 10. Let me grab... I'm not sure if I have them here, but I know I have them there. Let me check on a blue tray. What do I have on a blue tray? Nothing interesting. Ooh, I don't have many 10s in here. For now I have enough. Probably there's a bag with them somewhere around. I don't even... It's been so while since I stopped this printer. I don't even remember where the stuff is. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh, we need the PTFE tube. So let's grab a piece of PTFE tube. Where do I have the PTFE tube? So we have, this is 3 millimeters. I want 2 millimeters. Yeah, this one is 2 millimeters, but it's red. I should have somewhere a lot of, or here he is. Nope. Yeah, here we have a piece. And where is my cutter? It's here. Hey, Slick! Dinner tomorrow? Yeah, that's too far for me. Have fun. Okay, let me grab my Exacto, which I have no idea what it is, the big one. Here he is. Nah, I'm from sou da zona de Santarém, perto de Torres Novas. I'm too far away. It's a community dinner or whatever? Oh, okay. Okay, so if I remember correctly, we need a 32mm thingy here. Shit, I forgot the battery for my digital caliper. Never mind. Let's go old school with analog. Okay, a little less. A little less. User content. Okay. No, 4450 it's from Porto, but 4450 it's the sponsor, not me. Yeah, I already built the extruder. Yeah, we should be fine. Right here. Clean cut, straight. So let me grab my countersunk. I like to, I'm gonna do this side to open it a little bit, just a little chamfer there to make the filament go whoop better. So let's see if we need to adjust. Yeah, everything looks fine. Metal parts? What do you mean metal parts? No, this is a regular, well, these are metal parts. It's the only thing. No, the one with the Ender 3 kit is oh, the Ender 5. The Ender 5 it's the big one, right? Not sure what we can do with the Ender 5. Oh, it's the Mercury. I would like to build a Mercury, but I don't have an Ender, and no. Looks good, super. Okay, I think, I'm not sure how this thingy should be assembled. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some stands. And I'm pretty sure it uses the, so it's gonna be here, and it will use, I believe, I'm not sure. I think it's like this. And I need to use bigger screws on the motor, so the stand will will go in, right? I think so. Yeah, for enclosure it's not the best. You need to build pretty much a frame around it, I believe. Okay, so I see this hole is aligned with that one. So this hole and this hole are aligned with the motor screws. But these holes are supposed to get inserts. So okay, no. This is like this because I remember this box in here. It's for the it's for the a connector on the. Let me put this away and let me grab a CAN board. So a CAN board, it's here or here. I have a few of them. So this is the EBB thingy. Okay, so I see. Oh, okay. Okay, so those two that I was saying are for the actually for the this board. They align in here. Those two go into the that thingy, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's test. Let's do something. Let me move stuff around that we don't need. If I had only the stuff that I need around me, would be helpful. This is garbage. These two little thingies go there. You go to your place. You and you go there. You can go here. We don't need. These two big screws probably I'm gonna need. Fan cover. Oh, these I will need. So this will be in here somehow. So we can. Yeah, it's like that. So you can mount the probe. Should be something like that. What do you mean experiences? I have a lot of experiences with a lot of filament. Some bad, some wrong, some not. But, well, mostly bad. But also many good ones. Lately I've been using anyone for me it's awesome. Our friend Beanie, I know he had some issues. I'm not sure if he managed to deal with it. For me it grabs to anything, very nice. I print mostly ABS. I mean 90% of what I print is ABS. Well, leaving more than 90%, so PLA, I never had a bad experience with PLA, to be honest. Okay, let's see. Let me put it like this. Should be good enough. So, if I understand this correctly, first I should cut my belts. No, I only print 185, 175, never 285. Okay, so for now I'm not worried or too much worried with... Okay, I need to cut the belts. Okay, so what can I ask? What was wrong? Because the plastic been working absolutely great for me, and it's super cheap. So this is supposed to not be all mounted at the same time. So it may look a little more difficult this way. Yeah, I think I need to cut the... So this should be something like this. I'm not sure. Okay, we have space in there. I think I'm gonna grab my hot glue gun and glue these motherfucking wires there. We are back on, I think. I have green bars, so it should be fine. Let me open the shot again. Yep, should be. No, it wasn't a It wasn't a power outage. It was the router. Router just rebooted. Probably. Well, he rebooted. It wasn't my fault. Everything is on. So we are back. We are back. No worries. Okay, so I was saying I need to check if I have the spacers for this thing. Spacers! I'm not sure if I printed them, so let's check that. We have a lot of stuff around here. Shit. Well, I can check if it's on my printer, in my print plates. So let me check that. It's gonna be easier, at least to start with. Machines, Micron. Spacers! That guy. No, I haven't met him. I haven't met pretty much anyone because I never went to a... I hope to go next time to a big event. But no, I haven't. Okay, let's go MISC. Handle, no. Macro, maybe Micron burner. Carrier, diffuser, and add LED. Wing body, open grill. Nope, not in here. Electronics. Nope. Untab. No, this one is new. Nope. Well, I deleted all my stuff from the untab, so maybe... Let me open this. Okay. Okay, not in here. Let's see here. Discard everything. Nothing here. Let's go here. Okay. And make something, yeah. Nothing here. Discard. Well, I don't see them on my print plates, but I don't see my... the PCB holder as well, so best thing to do is actually check. And I may have printed them in red, I may have printed them in whatsoever. We have TPU parts. Damn gonna take my time. No point in rushing. They're gonna print fast anyway, so it's not a big thing if we need to print them. It's just if we need to print them. Well, actually, I can start eating the printer already. I could use my V0, but my V0 I need to clean the... I need to wash my build plate because it's not sticking very well. So let's go 110, 110. So Trident is eating up the reactors if we need, and if we don't need, we don't need. I'm seeing the angry cam in here. I'm not sure if I printed the other part of the angry cam. Lots of small stuff for the... yes, I see it here. I don't see anything round. Nope, I don't see anything around in here, so not in this box. I don't even remember where I got this plate, but since it has holes for the Micron, hopefully it's on the Micron repository. No, we're gonna need this, so no. I have a few more stuff laying around here. Yeah, but no spacers. What's this? Okay, we have the... I think these are the last ones I printed. Pretty sure. Puma feet, I don't even know what's this. It's some kind of... Hula, not Puma. Puma, it's another brand. So many small stuff for the panels. I think this is for the Hula as well. What's this? Jeez, I have no idea. Nope, I don't see. I don't see any pillars in this. Okay, we need to print that. So I'm gonna start printing it now because we're gonna need it soon. First I need to find it. Hopefully it's on the Micron GitHub. Hopefully. So this is from my scale. What filament? I don't have filament there, right? Yep. Okay, so first let's try to find the thingy. Yeah, I know the image is black because I have no... Let me close a bunch of stuff I have here open on this computer. Since the new computer handles everything fine, I'm a bit more careless about what I have open in there. Okay, so let's go Micron Voron, just to make sure that we are going to the right place. Yeah, there. Okay. Let's go... Yeah, let's see on the beta first. Electronics. No, this is for the Raspberry Pi and PCB DIN. So, gantry. Nope. Why is the x-axis? So this is the probe thingy. MISC. Filter. These are the cheeks. Hey, questionable. How are you, my friend? Okay, so let me go to the regular tool lab. Yeah, join the club. So probe carriage. So nope, not in here. Electronics. Nope, pretty sure this is actually the electronics. Okay, so let me go to the unted repository. STLs. No, this is the main body. Okay, let's try a Google search. Micron EBB36. This is too big. Let me put images. Oh, let me check my... Nope. Where the fuck did I got that thingy? Mount. Maybe. We're gonna try a picture search with my phone. Let me see. Yeah, you're feeling very lucky, right? I'm looking for this thingy. So I printed this, but I need the pillars for it, and I don't remember where I got these from. So I need the spacers. So this thing attaches to the motor mount, and I need the spacers. But I'm pretty sure I modded these. So let me open Fusion. So this is the EBB36 mounting. I think this is some kind of universal mount. CAN board mounts. Let me check here. STLs. So EBB. Okay, motor standoff post. Okay, we have a bunch. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, I forgot my Fusion connected downstairs, so I need to connect to my main computer and shut it down first, just to make sure I don't have any. Actually, I do. Finish sketch. Should be fine. Yeah, we'll figure it out eventually. I'm just closing Fusion on my main computer downstairs. So I can open in here, check again. Because I'm pretty sure I modded this thingy. So probably I'm gonna need custom pillars. Micron Plus. Okay, let me open Fusion now. Desktop quick screen should be fine. Okay, let me take a look here. So here, oh wait, here on the assembly, looks like I can see the mount in there. Yep. So, yep, pretty much this is it. And guess what? We don't have the pillars in here, but we have the. Okay, let me select these thingies. Oh, okay, so it's on the wristwatch repository. And yeah, the pillars are not here. Yeah, so it's probably, from what I'm seeing here, it should be on the wristwatch repository. So let's check that. Actually, let me search in here instead. Yeah, of course. BMG. Okay, STLs, CAN board mounts. So, okay, 3-point attachment. I have no idea. Hey, Spectra. Have a good night. I know we are on the military, so shit, there's a shit ton of stuff in here. Okay, this is not mine. What's this? This is not mine. Nope. Anyway, 3 points, new 3 points attachment. What's this? Nope. Okay, so we are on the wristwatch G2. Let me try to check the wristwatch BMG. What's... No, actually no. Streamshot? Streamshot. Let's check Streamshot. Streamshot. No, this is the probes mount, so it's not what we want. I've been here before. So this is probes. They don't have anything in here about the any part of the well, shit, of the head. Actually, they don't put the heads in here, so nope, it's not in here. Here we have a few. So I probably printed the one from just this thingy. So basically what I need to do is just this. So we have a 14.5 and a 20.5. And that's all what we need. Where was I? That I actually found the pillar, the post. I think it was here. So, no, here. Motor standoff. So we need 14 enough. Round universal. Most likely this one. Yep. So download. And we need a 20 and a half. Shit. They don't have a 20 and a half. Come on, guys. You guys are not helping. Guess what? We need to make a post. What's the 6? 6 sounds about too little. Yeah, I thought about that. The problem is because of the, well, it should be fine. We're gonna also increase the space for the inserts. And that's absolutely no needed. Unless I could... Man, it's just 2 posts. There's nothing. Mesh, insert, from computer, downloads, 14 and a half. Boom. What's this? Modify. Shit, it's too far away. Where is the... Fuck that. Convert. Fine. So this supposed to be something. Jesus, I love meshes. Okay, let me go from here to here. So 7 millimeters. Okay. Like that. So 4.6, right? 4.6. No. Yes, 4.6. 4.6 is the normal for the 5 millimeter. 7. E. These are what? 5 millimeter, 4 millimeter, right? Yeah, 4. So 4. E. So you need 20 and a half, so 12.5. Here. P. E. 4. And we have 20 and a half. Done. So bodies, save as mesh, fine, 20.5, post, no, post, delete all, again. The stream is going, right? Everything is fine. I got a few messages from OBS, but I don't see any problems. Okay, I have some. I'm not sure if the router disabled again. No, because the lights are all on, so I know OBS complained. So I'm not sure what did you guys missed, but I just made a post on Fusion because scaling the other one would mess with the holes for discard everything. Would mess with the holes. Okay, that's actually interesting. Oh, just hiccups? Nice. Okay, fine. Okay, that's smart. Let me do that as well. I'm just doing on other screen. Give me a second. I'm gonna do a 3.3 hole in the middle. Save as mesh. 205 post 205. Yes. Okay, so open post 205. Okay. Yeah, that one is bigger. Don't care. I'm gonna make two of those, two of each. So Control K, one, fine. I'm gonna put a brim because we never know. Where is it? Brim, outer brim, 5. And let's arrange this thingy. Oh, it's arranged. Oh, it's well arranged. Come on. Not helping. I probably need to be further away. Let's slice it and see. Fine, so these will take... Shit, so much time? Okay, so let me grab a piece of filament. Yeah, that one should be fine. Let me heat up the nozzle so I can purge it. What is this? So this is ABS Plus from anyone. Where is my tweezers so I can clean the thingy? Not these ones. These ones. Yeah, I could make some metal ones on my... Well, actually... Now that we are talking... No. Could make some on a lathe, but... It would probably be faster, but... This filament is not wet at all. Looks like I'm frying eggs. Should be fine. More fan, go. Yeah, no more oozing, so we should be fine. Okay, so let me select. Oh, actually, that's the one. That's fine. ABS plus. Okay, so print, upload and print. Let's check. So it's printing. So it's cooling down, so it can ohm and do all that shit. We have the chamber up to temp, which is fine. So it's gonna be done in a minute. Well, not a minute, but you know the idea. Okay, so what can we do? A lot. We can do a lot. Okay, let me aim this thing a little lower. And go to the main camera. Okay, so I'm gonna crimp everything after. No point on trying to I need to replace these screws, so this needs to be 5 millimeter longer, and this also this one, so one at a time. Let's do that. I need to remove this so I have access to this one. So I think this one is 8. So yeah, this one is 8. So I need 12. 12 should work. Like that, and this one, I believe it's 30 millimeters. We need a 35. Yeah, one of these should work. Actually, doesn't DBB bring some standoffs on its hardware? I'm confused. Yeah, it does, but they are small. Well, they are the same size, actually. Yeah, they are. Well, the big one could work. Are they all threaded? Because if they are all threaded, I can go a minute downstairs to the lathe. I think they are, actually. No, they are not. If only I had a thing called an M3 top, which I do. Well, this one it's much longer. So if I take like 2 millimeters on each side, oh, this one is super long. Oh yeah. Look, I can go downstairs a minute and bring them down to length. So this is 21, I need to take half a millimeter only. And this one should be the same, 21. And I bring it down to 14 and a half. And we should be good, right? Anyway, we're gonna do that. It's gonna take me just a minute to go downstairs and turn on the lathe. And it's metal. It's heavier, so the input shaper is gonna be worse. I'm kidding, I don't care about that. But I like metal. Metal doesn't melt. Well, at least on a 3D printer, hopefully. So yeah, I'm gonna just disassemble these. Let it print, it doesn't matter because it's already hot, it's already printing. I don't care. Doesn't take long anyway. Okay, so give me 2 minutes. Actually, I think I have the right tool on the lathe as well for the job. So I'll just shim 325 on each side of one and half a millimeter of other. Give me a minute. I'll be back in. I'm gonna jump in the music. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Sorry. Took me a little longer because I was looking for a battery for my digital calipers. Yeah, but I found it. Okay, so Beanie went. Ciao, Beanie. There we go, back to life. Oh, it scared me. Zero, we are good. Let's see. I did this for by high. Yeah, good enough. So 2051. Let's see this one. 1448. Okay, I forgot to pass the chamfer tool. So let's do it really quick. So this one only needs on one side because I haven't touched the other one. Like that. So we changed the screws in here. Everything, let me see if everything is still smooth. Yeah, everything is smooth. So let's put them on. Oh shit, I need to check which one. Of course it's the other way around. Wouldn't be funny if I got it right by mistake. Is the camera focused? Let me go there. AF. Okay, let's grab the pliers. Now let's use the clone, because why not? Like that. So now we should be able to have this should line, but should is like okay, first we need to put in two inserts on this thingy, so let's do that. Let's do that. So one in here, another there. Now, I'm not sure if we should have any kind of spacers here, but should be relative, right? I think this thing mounts pretty flat. Wouldn't hurt, but I don't think it's needed. Okay, so I need a small something like a small M3 countersunk, something like 6mm M36 or yeah, M36 should be fine. So we can grab this. Something is not right. Something is not right at all. Probably I read it wrong. So I need to go downstairs again. Let me check. What have I done? Oh, I'm pretty sure I fucked up somewhere. Okay, so here to here. Well, that one I'm pretty sure it's... Oops, you guys are not seeing, right? So if I do fusion, what happens if I do fusion? Okay, it does nothing. It goes to my... Okay, I'm gonna do the big screen then. And I'm gonna move fusion there. Okay, so let me... Oh, 1745. Fuck me. Where did I got a 1445? Okay. So, oh, okay, so maybe I did it from here. No. How the fuck did I read 1445? Okay, so doesn't matter. It's not a problem. I only need to cut 3mm on the other one. Oh, god damn it. Okay, so how much, what's the difference here? Yeah, 3mm ish. 2.9mm. Okay. I need to go downstairs again. Okay, I need to go fix my mistake. So I need to cut this guy a little more because I read it wrong. I don't know. Probably I was too far and I misread it. The printed part wouldn't work anyway because I fucked up. Oh wait. Yes, so one it's 14. Wait. I need to grab another stand. because it's the 17 one that's wrong, not the... So not these. So this is actually a Galileo, and this one... Oh, I'm not sure anymore. What's this? Yes, this is what I need. No, actually it's not. Actually it's not. Where do I have all my spares from? Nope. This is a tool head. Okay, somewhere in here should be all the spares from my Skyla. So this is a Galileo. What's this? This is a U2C, which should be for this build. This is a ABB can. Yeah, I can remove from these, but somewhere I should have a bunch of spares from my Skylum, since I use 6 of these boards and pretty much none of its hardware. Okay, so this one is fine. I need a 17. Let me double check. Let me double check. So yeah, it's a 1745. So it's 17 and a half, not 14 and a half. So 21. Um, 21 minus 17.5 divided by 2, 175. Okay. Give me a minute again. Sorry. I'm back. I'm back. Lower the music. Okay, so I'm back. Back in black. Which one? It was an album from a music band. Scooter, I think. Back in black. I think so. Okay, so let's see. So now we should be no, I need to remove this one. Is the bad one. AC/DC? Well, maybe. Okay, now we should be fine. So my first idea would be actually cut the... So the wrong one was the 14.5, which is the shorter one. My first idea would be get the big guy to the same length as the lower guy, but since this thing will ensure on the bottom as well, the mount would be crooked, and actually I needed to fix that one. Yeah, now it's straight. Otherwise it would be like that. Where's my phone? It's there. Okay. And we're gonna save this for another day, for another fuck up. Let's put it there for now. Okay, so actually we can attach these to... Well, actually I need to remove these two screws as well. So for now the press is not needed, so press, go away please. So I'm gonna remove these two screws. Shit, I need to remove everything. Oh, not... Need to remove the... Come on. There we go. Because this thingy, it's where it attaches to the front. So let's go. Let's push this guy in here so you guys can actually see something. going on with my phone? Nothing. Nothing crazy. Okay, so basically, so it will go there. Let me check where's my calipers, so I can check the screw size. So it should be 25s. Shit. Do I have 25s in here? What's this? This looks like a 25 to me. And it is a 25. So let's fit them in there. Do I need to rim it, or no, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. A little snug, but just a little thread locker. Make sure the threads are stripped in a plastic. Should have left a little more belt, but it's done, it's done. So that one is in. That one is in as well. Oops. Okay, we need to move this guy. Move these guys into place. Come on. Like that. Please check. Yeah, the belts are good. We have the everything is on place, I think. Yes, it is. So let's tidy it. Will print today? Nah, not in a million times. I don't have any electronics. There's a bunch to stuff. Printing is the last stuff I do, so nah, hopefully by, maybe it depends on my day tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stream tomorrow, but yeah, I really don't like these LED wires. It's not my name in it. Okay, so we need to pass in the wires there. These and you should be in here. This thing still needs some work, some CAD work. We'll manage. Okay, so now one thing I really like about this head, it's super rigid after assembled. It's not floppy at all. Okay, let's put in the other one. Let me put it to this side. Let me check if there's any wirings. No. Okay, I have some screw. Okay, I need to. Oh, okay. This thing is not. It's not deraxed yet, so I'm gonna do that after, before I forget. I was seeing too much movement, and the screws on the gantry are not racked, are not tight yet. So we're gonna do that in a minute. Oh, nice. Everything going smooth? The prints? Okay, so we have that, Let me put in the, before I forget, put in the, want to make sure the filament runs smooth in here. So let me cut a piece of it. Yeah. Yeah, if I straighten it, everything's fine. There we go. Okay, so now you can go, yeah, it doesn't really matter. You need to go here somewhere. And now we can put in this thingy. Oh, actually it's not this thingy. Where is the... Oh, don't go there. Actually it is this one. Like that. Did I... Oh, fuck, I don't know. Let me check. Let me double check. If I tighten the head screws... I didn't. More. This was kinda okay. So this thingy has a hook down there, so you need to put it under first, and then push it in on top, then 2 more screws. Come on. Yeah. Thought about that. So M6, M36 or M38 will work, both. Since I have a bunch of M38s and not that many M36s, I'm using M38s. So same story on this one. Gets in from under and then goes into place. Where's the damn screw? Light, make it light. That's weird. It happens though. Shit. I don't see it. I do now. I do now. It is kind of aiming lower, not sure why. Oh no, it's like that. It's by design. Okay. Fine. So now the extruder on top. M3 10s, I believe. Yep. To attach the extruder, the main body. Super rigid. His head is super rigid. It's moving because the actual frame, it's moving on the back because it's not deracked. Now we can put in this thingy. I think I need a weaker spring on this. I think it's too much force, even at minimum. Thing works fine. So now, from the back, should have 3 more screws to install. Well, actually, more. So we should have one in here that goes okay. Now we might need a little more light. Where's the goddamn knobs? They are here. There. Maybe a little holder. Okay, so there we have to put in a screw that goes and grabs everything together, and I have no idea what size is that screw, so we're gonna try first this one. Probably it's too long, or maybe not. So this one is 25. Not sure. No, probably it's too long. 25. Not sure if I'm getting to the... Yes, I am. Well, it's not 25, but wait, it's still going. Well, actually, it's a 25. Cool. So you're set. Okay, so now we can put in the where is the, let me check where is the, so the motor comes there. So if I put it like this, will it? Most likely, we'll see. Worst case scenario, we need to do nothing actually. Okay, so now let's use a flathead in here. First, let me reamer this thingy. So 2.5, 3. Just enlarge. Holes a little tight. So M6.8, M6.6 should be fine in here. Actually, I'm gonna grab a little more threads. I prefer to have a little more threads engaging. So let's grab, let's grab an 8 instead. And this one is Torx. Of course it is, to make it harder. So let me grab the Torx. Could be around this one. Yeah, probably. So this one will be in here. We have 2 down here. That can be probably 8s. If we have enough threads. Let's see. I think so. Yes, we do. So 2 8s under. This is a very rigid mount with 4 anchor points. So now we can screw in this one, going anywhere, and for that, let's see if I can use a washer with it. We want M3 washer. Actually, I have a few of them here that are grounded. I don't even need those. I need a 6 now, and I don't know if I have one in here. I do. To go here. Come on. It's not super duper aligned, but it's aligned enough. There we go. Like that. And since we are here, we can install the girl as well. Let me check if the girl came in with some screws. Since it came with, actually it does. Not sure if they are long enough though. So let's use two M38s. Let's use two M38s. Should be fine. Since we have space in the back. Well, maybe... No, maybe we want regular... Instead of button heads, I think we want an 8. Well, there are M36s here. A bag of them. We have a few 2.5 as well. Okay, I'm gonna grab two M36s, the socket heads, because they have the heads a little smaller, less danger to get in contact with the electronic components. I see some here dangerously close to the screw heads, and I really don't want that. So I prefer to use these ones. The heads are slightly smaller, so not even sure we should install these already, but yeah, that's fine. Yeah, these ones are much better. Yeah, I would really like to. I should print some spacers for the PCB. It's fine, it's good. We'll see if we need. If it gets. So let's see if the motor wire gets there. Yeah, it gets there. It goes through a bunch of things, but it gets there. Yeah, it's fine. It's perfect actually. Then we need to send this one down this line. I'm not sure where these will connect, but we'll find it when the time comes. Not now. See the point. So this guy can come actually from here and install there. So this is the hot end. The fans, I need to check how the fans are, where they connect. Is this Rust? No, it's just. Come on. So we have the LEDs. We have the other fan. And we have the Delta fan. Not even sure where this sync should sync actually in front of the belt. It's actually better. First, this one. Yeah, much better. If it goes that way. And then the Delta fan wires. We'll see where it connects, I have no idea. Hopefully the wires are long enough. And then this one. Same story, it goes here. So basically I'm passing the wires between the fan and the belt. So the belt teeth actually hold the wires in place very well. I just used it. Where's the X? What time is it? Okay, we still have a little time. I don't want to finish as late as yesterday. Yeah, that's fine. We can use the... Actually, we can use the fan here. So we have a hole there from the fan. I think I have some smaller ones. Yes, I do. We can use a zip tie there and actually grab the wires to the fan screw hole. Like that. Hopefully this is a fan connector so I can use the delta in there. Okay. So that's, let me check if we have also a place for, yes we do. So I'm gonna use another zip tie on the same place that I used the other one. I'm not gonna zip this one yet because we need to, I'm not sure where my probe wires gonna come in, so I'm not gonna close that one just yet. I'm not sure. I need to check on the schematics of the EBB. I'm pretty sure we have a CAN connector in here. Need to check because we're gonna need 2 wires for CAN on the cartographer. So we need to assemble this thingy in here. Not sure if you guys can see, but it's pretty much under the behind the nozzle. So basically is the brace in here, so this brace in here, which will be for mounting the probe. I believe the probe mount, it's gonna attach on this dovetail in here and these 2 screws in here, or these 2 threads in there. So let's do that. We can attach the probe already. Well, yeah, we can check that out. We need to do it anyway, so two M36s. Actually, I need to check if we have a manual. Fuck, it's the other way around, so this one is here. If there's a manual already for, since we were stopped for so long. Maybe there are some updates on the manual. This build stopped for months. At least, what, 2 months? At least, at the very least. Okay, so like that. Now I know, I printed the mount, and I assume it's on the other box. So that part I know, I absolutely know I printed. I've seen a few things that I want to put in here. Should be another one, but for now. Now I'm not sure. It's supposed to be a red or a black part, so let me check on the web. What do they? Okay, so Micron, it should be on gantry, x-axis, toolhead maybe, yeah. Okay, but not on this one. Should be on the R1 beta. Okay, documentation looks like 3 weeks ago. So maybe we have some updates on the manual. We'll check that. So gantry, x-axis, probes. So it's supposed to be the beacon probe, and yeah, it's supposed to be black. Let me see how it looks like. So it looks like a butterfly. Oh, actually it has looks like it has an end stop in there as well. Do I oh, nice, okay. I thought this thing was sensorless, but I do have an end stop on the Y in here. Which I like, because I don't like sensorless. Okay, but I don't see the butterfly piece in here. Let me see on this one. Put all the parts in here. But I'm almost sure I printed it. DZ, oh, it's the filament holder. I don't see it here either. Let me make sure I haven't printed it in red. Pretty sure I printed the damn thing, because I remember actually looking for the part. Let me check. Okay, I found my cheap soldering iron stand. Let me check this box. What does it have? Nope. In there. In here we have nothing. We have LEDs, we have a bunch of extruders, we have this thingy that we don't use. Nope. Let me check better on this one. Pretty sure I'm missing parts because I'm also pretty sure I printed this part in multicolor. Lot of clips. Ah, okay. I knew I had printed it in multicolor. So these are the old. Haha! Here he is. Fine. Okay, so this thingy. Let me grab my cartol. Here's my cartol. My cartol, I think it's here. So, cartographer 3D. So this is the shipping label, whatever. Okay, so I assume this is the programming for programming it. Not sure. Oh, it comes with a bamboo thingy brush. Okay, so I remember I ordered the flat one. I have no idea what I need. Okay, so I believe this is supposed to be like this. Because the coil is in here. So I'm pretty sure we need it like that or like that, I don't know. Okay, I need to see the options. One thing is for sure, this thing is like that. Need to see the docks. Let's see what options do we have in here. So this is connectors. So we have 90-degree connector. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a straight one. We have the female connector. We have a few pins for the female connector, so when we crimp it, then we have 90-degree jumpers. Not jumpers, dupons. Okay, so this should be, how is this? Like this? Like this, maybe. What is this thing? Okay, so something is wrong in here. Okay, let me open the probe. Let's open the cap. I think we are done for today. In assembling, let's see if we have probes. I need to get closer, otherwise I can't see shit. Okay, so this is the wristwatch. We don't care about the wristwatch. We do care. Tool hardware. This thing, do we have? No, we don't. So this is the Micron carriage. Yeah, we don't have any probes in here. We have the ducts. Okay, we don't have actually the probes in here. Let me open the actually I want the untest. Z drive, nope. Untest. Let's see if we have probes in here. STLs. Nope, we don't. Okay. Gantry. Probes. So we need this one. Oh no. Let me check if this is what I have. Okay, no, it's different. Okay, I need to reprint this. So I have the old version. I see, now I see. So I have the old version and I need to print this. So this one actually replaces the bracket that I have. Okay, so let me start eating. I'm gonna leave it printing overnight. Do I have filament? Yes, I do. 120. Okay, so yeah, I need to reprint this. Because I printed the regular version and the regular version doesn't fit this one. Garbage with it. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna leave it printing that. Meanwhile, we can check. Cartographer probe. Products. So mine is exactly this one, the V3, but I bought it disassembled because I didn't knew what I wanted. And I still don't. I'm not sure if I want this, if I want Okay, let me grab the part that I just threw away so I can okay, so this thingy, so the part is kinda close to the same, except what? Stay away. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much the same except it's different. So this will be like that. Yeah, so it's like this, like that. Okay, so basically, yeah, so this one would fit without this thingy. Okay, so then I can use it vertical, right? So let's go to the cartographer. So the vertical mount is going to be like that. So like this. And the ships, it's going to be on this direction, so it should be like this. No. Should, oh, fuck that. Where is the ADXL? The ADXL is... Where's the crystal? Yeah, I think it's like this. Fuck, I have no idea. It should be like this, to be honest. Yeah, I see the lead in there. Oh, fuck me. I have no idea. Oh, okay. It's like this. So it's like this. Kinda. Yeah, it's like that. There's a couple of condensers there. Yes, we have the other one in here. So it's like this. The biggest one, yeah, okay, so it's like this. Fuck, I'm lost again. So like that. Yeah, okay, like this. Kind of stupid, but it is what it is. Silk screen, it's kind of wrong. Okay, so actually we're gonna use the 19-degree connector. Where did I put? Oh. Yes, I haven't seen actually that one. And by the way, welcome. But I seen something like that because I seen some guy on YouTube printing credit cards on basically on aluminum cards, and they used one of those printers. Okay, so it should be like this if I'm not mistaken. Yes. But I need to take a look because I have some interesting some stuff that actually for my work that would be helpful. Because if I understood it right, since I do some aluminum anodization, I think, I'm not sure, I could anodize aluminum and before seal it, print with it. So print on top of the aluminum anodized. The ink will go into the anodization pores, and then if I seal it, it's gonna seal the aluminum with the ink in there. So I really need to look into that. It's interesting. Okay, so in case of you doing like me and buying the cartographer or whatever, disassembled, so the connector goes into the side of the ADXL chip, and the ADXL chip, it goes into the outside of the, or to the back of the beacon, so like that. Poly die. I need to take a look into that because it's definitely interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna grab flux. I'm gonna grab my super duper soldering iron. I'm gonna change the tip because I need something a little more precise. Yeah, this one should work fine. Let's power up. Increase the temperature. I'm gonna grab good flux and some solder. I could grab the microscope, but I don't feel like grabbing the microscope right now, so I'm gonna try to zoom in. Let me actually aim the thingy. Let me make sure I can focus this far. I can't. Yeah, I can focus here, so yes, you can go like this. You can go like this and put your connector actually on top. So you can have it like that, and put it on top. Oh, low battery. Okay, that's a problem. Let me grab. Where do I have a long cable? Probably in my drawer, my cable drawer. Yeah, I'm seeing one already. Let's see if I can use it while charging. I can. Okay, as I was saying, yes, you can use it like that and put your cable on top. Yeah, I'm not sure, but as long as the ink is thin enough so the pigment ink is the pigment in the ink is small enough to get in the aluminum pores, should be fine. Okay, since I'm gonna use this thingy like that, I can actually put it on vertical. Well, now that I'm seeing, maybe I can't. Well, I could, if I do it my way and save space. So probably I'm gonna do it like you were saying. Yeah, probably. So we're gonna use these two instead. and let's lay it flat. Okay, now it's too dark, right? What is it? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, like that. Should be fine now. Or better. So yeah. So this one is the bottom part. So we need to put in these thingies in here. Let's put some flux in. Yeah, okay, this thing doesn't work while charging. So it's gonna be for tomorrow. No point. I'm not gonna grab another iron or whatsoever, or go into the... I'll probably just do it... I'm gonna do it in stream. I think it's interesting. Motherfucker. Yeah, okay, I need to do one at a time. No point. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up. Yeah, it's bedtime anyway. So let's do that. Soldering iron is charging for tomorrow. Front, that's fine. Okay, so it wasn't too bad today, actually. We finished the unknown part. Actually, let's take a look if we have a new manual on the Micron. I'm gonna leave all this stuff. Oh, actually, I'm gonna print this thingy. So download it. Actually, I need to go grab the parts from there. Completely forgot. From the plate to the bin, but anyway. Delete all. So let's open the beacon probe. Yeah, that's fine. Let's print 2 of them. I may not have, well, this is nearly no plastic at all. So slice. No. I don't want any brim. So no brim. No brim. Yeah, it takes what? Go there. Takes like 5 meters of filament. Let me check my roll, because it's one of those. I don't know if I have 5 meters in there. So I'm gonna print just one. Yeah, I'm gonna save the posts. Well, I don't need them. They are garbage anyway. They are the wrong. It's hot. Where's my tweezers? Need my tweezers. Do I have any? Yes, I do. Yeah. Okay. Fine. And print. Put in print. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the time of my drying filaments because I need to last until tomorrow. $12 is fine. It's more than dry, but I'm not feeling like bagging them now. Anyway, guys, so we are done for today. Tomorrow, let me aim this thingy a little bit higher. So tomorrow we're gonna go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. That's the first. Hopefully, yes. We're gonna continue this thingy. Oh, we were about to check the manual. Let's check the manual. If we have updates on the manual, because I seen some movement on the documentation here. So we had an update 3 weeks ago. Let's see. Pretty sure it's not. No. Not even close. Not even close. Oh, I see. Yeah, not even close. So yeah, forget about the manual. Anyway, so next we should go what? I'm not sure. Probably finish all the gantry and stuff. Direct the gantry, I need to do that. For that I need to level everything the best I can. And then direct it. What more? Yeah, we should start with the wiring, with the motors and whatsoever. The head is going to be pretty easy to deal with. I'm going to go umbilical with it. There's no point. There's only 4 wires for the can setup anyway, so we're going to go umbilical with it. yeah, we have drag chain for the Z, because we're gonna need to power the motors and the Y end stop and the head. It's gonna come all from the Z. So there's that, and we'll see where we get that tomorrow. So guys, thank you for making you company, thank you for watching, and see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye bye, and have a good night.